Understanding low ebb, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring the phrase, low ebb. It's an idiom that paints a vivid picture in English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what low ebb means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, low ebb, comes from a nautical term. In maritime contexts, ebb refers to the movement of the tide when it is going out, away from the land, as opposed to when the tide is coming in, which is called the flood. When the tide is at its lowest point, it's called the low ebb. In everyday English, we use low ebb metaphorically to describe a situation, feeling, or condition that has reached its lowest, least successful, or least positive point. For example, if someone's motivation or spirits are at their lowest, you might say they are at a low ebb. To understand low ebb better, let's see how it can be used in different sentences. 1. After the company's biggest investor pulled out, morale was at a low ebb. 2. His confidence hit a low ebb after several unsuccessful job interviews. 3. The team's performance is at a low ebb. They haven't won a game in months. In these examples, low ebb is used to describe various situations of decline or reduction in positivity, success, or energy. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the meaning of low ebb more fully. Some common synonyms include nadir, rock bottom, low point, all-time low. While these phrases share similarities with low ebb, each has its unique shade of meaning and usage, so it's great to be familiar with all of them. Using low ebb correctly involves understanding its context. Remember, 1. It's often used in negative contexts. Low ebb is typically associated with decline, failure, or a lack of success. 2. Appropriate for formal and informal settings. You can use this phrase in both casual conversations and more formal discourse. 3. Combine with descriptive scenarios. It works best when describing situations where there is a clear downturn or reduction in quality, morale, or performance. And that's a wrap on low ebb. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use this vivid English idiom more confidently. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures those words paint and the stories they tell. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.